Welcome to all in this class. Today I will teach you about classification system. Classification system. There are two classification systems are most in use. First, two kingdom system of classification. Two kingdom system of classification, and second, five kingdom system of classification. First of all, we know about two kingdom system of classification. Two kingdom system. The difference between plants and animals are very clear. Plants are fixed, trap solar energy to make their food, and plants even grows indefinitely, whereas animals generally move, eat plants or animals as food, and their body stop growing after a certain size. These basic difference, plant and animals, are put into two groups. First, plant kingdom, and second, animal kingdom. Plants are in plant kingdom and animals are in animal kingdom. This system of classification was suggested by Carolus Linnaeus in 1758. Later, taxonomic studies indicated that certain organisms did not strictly fit either under plant kingdom or animal kingdom. Certain organisms did not fit either under plant kingdom or under animal kingdom. So, a German zoologist, E.H. Haeckel, 1866, arrived a third kingdom, Protista, for unicellular organism. Unicellular organism, which organism? Their body made by a single cell. So, third kingdom, Protista, for unicellular organism. And American ecologist Robert H. Whittaker, 1959, proposed a fourth kingdom, Monera, for the bacteria. Bacteria not fit in plant kingdom, animal kingdom, Protista. So, Robert H. Whittaker proposed a fourth kingdom, Monera, for the bacteria. From our discussion, one point become clear, that classification of organism is progressive process. Now, we know about five kingdom system of classification. Second system of classification, five kingdom system of classification. First था two kingdom system of classification, second five kingdom system of classification. Whitaker in 1959 has classified the living organism into five kingdoms. First, kingdom Monera. In this kingdom, prokaryotic bacteria and blue-green algae. Prokaryotic. Prokaryotic means incomplete cell. Organism which body made by incomplete cell. That is prokaryotic organism. In Monera, in kingdom Monera, prokaryotic bacteria and blue-green algae. Second, kingdom Protista, unicellular eukaryotic. Unicellular and eukaryotic. Unicellular organism made by one cell, and eukaryotic cells. Your cell is complete, means complete cell. Unicellular eukaryotic, protozoans, fungi and algae. Third kingdom, kingdom fungi, multicellular. Organism made by more than one cell, that is multicellular. So multicellular higher fungi. Fourth kingdom, kingdom plenty, multicellular green plants and advanced algae. And fifth kingdom, Animalia, means animal. All multicellular animals fit in kingdom Animalia. So, five kingdom system. First, kingdom Monera for prokaryotic bacteria and blue-green algae. Kingdom Protista for unicellular eukaryotic, protozoans, fungi and algae. Kingdom Fungi, multicellular higher fungi. Fourth kingdom, kingdom Plenty, multicellular green plant and advanced algae. And fifth kingdom, Animalia, multicellular animals. Whitaker had based his classification on the following three levels of organization. First, prokaryotic versus eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell, incomplete cell. Eukaryotic cell, complete cell. So first point, Whitaker based his classification on the following three levels of organization. First level, prokaryotic versus eukaryotic. Second, unicellular versus multicellular, organism made by single cell or organism made by more than one cell. And third point, three different mode of nutrition. Mode of nutrition: autotroph, heterotroph and saprotroph. These three based of Whitaker. Whitaker had based his classification on the following three levels. First level, the prokaryotic versus eukaryotic. Second level, unicellular versus multicellular. And third level, three different mode of nutrition. Here, classification system means two classification system. First classification system, two kingdom system of classification, and second five kingdom system of classification. Five kingdom: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plenty, Animalia. Your classification system is complete. Next day, next topic. Thanks.